Senegal was doing a pretty good job collecting data. They had a pretty well thought out data management and data communication strategy. And they created an infrastructure to do that work. The reality, though, is that that's very relative, compared to what we're seeing elsewhere in the world. Because all across West Africa, the challenges are similar. The reason why we don't have good data on beds and deaths is because we don't have good infrastructure for data collection around those things. The reason why we don't have good data on health records, our challenging health records, is because we don't have good infrastructure around that. So those chronic problems, being problems all around the region, make it so that you can say someone did it better, but it doesn't mean it meets the standard that it should be at. So I think in West Africa, really, the leaders have been Senegal and Ghana. But at least Ghana at I'd say March to June, July data collection, when we had contact tracing effective, when we were doing community screening, that data is pretty reliable, and it was based on 4,000 tests a day. So you're getting about 30,000 tests a week and seeing the results of that. That's a big sample for a country like Ghana. So you are getting more consistent information like that. But in in Senegal, you start to notice that at some point they hit a 10%-ish positivity rate, and the data there also begins to do its thing. So it's not clear who's really running away with it in terms of like really doing effective data management here. I will say Senegal they had it as a strategy, a better plan than we did, but I think earlier on we executed better. Then you have a country like South Africa who, they are really doing a proper public health response. It's not consistent, it has problems, but relative to what most other African countries are doing, if we're looking for the gold standard for testing, tracing, political interventions, all that kind of stuff, it really would be South Africa right now. But West Africa, Ghana and Senegal would be the leaders.